we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this French actor, as well as how to say more French names that many mispronounce. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel. He's a TikToker, YouTuber, Loïc. If you are listening, I really enjoy what you do. You're so funny, you're so good. Fantastic job. But how do you say his name? For reference, in French, it is said as Loïc Suberville. Loïc Suberville. In English, this would be said as Loïc Suberville. Loïc Suberville. I hope I'm not butchering your name, Loïc, too much, but yeah, that's as close, I think, as you can get it. From the original French pronunciation, Loïc Suberville. And now, you know. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. More videos for you here to learn more interesting pronunciations of words and names that many get wrong. I'll see you there to learn more. Like and subscribe. Thanks for your support. And yeah, Loïc would be fantastic to meet someday. Cheers.